friends, in today's video I'll tell you about percentage. In our day-to-day life we have heard a lot about percentage. So what is percentage? How it is denoted? It is denoted by a symbol of percent. Suppose we are having 40%. What does it mean? It means that 40 out of 100 or 40 out of a cent. Cent means 100. How we can convert this 40% into a fraction? Actually, all these percentage, fractions and decimals are interrelated terms. So converting 40% into a fraction, we have simply divided by 100, means 40 divided by 100. Simplify the figure by cancelling out the zeros and dividing the remaining with the 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So it comes out to be 2 by 5. This is the simple denotation of 40% into a fraction. Now how can we convert this 2 by 5 into decimal? Converting 2 by 5 in a decimal will divide the numerator with the denominator, that is 2 by 5 will get 0.4. Point is the decimal and 4 is at the tens place. So you can very clearly see that percentage, division and decimals are interrelated to each other. Let me explain it with one more example, that is 30%. Now this 30% we have to convert it into a fraction and then into a decimal. How will convert it? Writing simply 30 with the denominator 100. In my previous videos I have told you that this is a decimal fraction. Here we can simplify it by cancelling out the 0, we'll get 3 by 10. The simplification of 30% into a fraction is 3 by 10. Now we can convert this 3 by 10 into a decimal by dividing 3, that is the numerator, with the denominator. And we know how to divide the numerator with the denominators 10 or its powers. We will simply add a decimal before 3, as we are having only a single 0 at the denominator. It comes out to be 0.3. Now how will convert a fraction and a decimal into a percentage? Suppose we are having a fraction 2 by 5. We have to convert it into a percentage. How will convert 2 by 5, that is a fraction, into a percentage? For this we have to multiply it by 100 and write the result. Means 200, multiplying the numerators, I will get 100 into 2, that is 200 divided by 5. This is as the fraction. Now we will simplify it. By simplifying it, I will get 40. So this comes out to be 40%. Again, with an example of, suppose I am having in decimals, that is 0.25, and I have to convert into a percentage. I will remove the decimal and add 2 zeros to 1, means write 100 as a base number, multiply by 100. Cancelling out 100 with 100, I will get 25. So the result will be 25%. It's very simple. We can simply convert percentage into decimal and fraction, or a fraction into a percentage, or a decimal number into a percentage. So friends, if you like my video, do share it with your friends and don't forget it to subscribe. Thank you.